December 25th. Christmas. What's the first thing you think of when you hear somebody talk about Christmas? Do you think of special food? Maybe you think of presents? Perhaps it makes you think of travel. And of course, you can't forget the Christmas music. Join me as I tell the story of what Christmas means to me. Our drive from the UK was easy and pleasant. There was no snow on the ground. The rain over the past 4 days had melted it all away. And because it was too warm, there was no new snow expected. We had visited some family and friends along the way, and also went to a lovely spa. It was full of water slides and lots of pools, with areas for adults and kids alike. They even had over 300 real palm trees. Temperatures dropped below freezing on Christmas Eve. Overnight, the rain would turn into snow. Just like in the movies, we were going to have a white Christmas.
Yeah, you want to show me? Yeah. Go on then. Not like this. It's hard. It is hard. I can do the transition. Hi.
At this point, you're probably thinking, skiing. That's what Christmas means to you. And you're not entirely wrong. you definitely get a special feeling while skiing. The sense of speed as the cold wind brushes past your face. The sound of the snow underneath your skis. And the clouds of snow you leave as you carve down the mountain slope are all part of the magic. And Christmas is a time for magic.
Nice. Nice.
Christmas means a lot of things to me. Things like travel, skiing, and presents. It also means good food and warm drinks by the fire. But above all else, Christmas, for me, means family.